going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another product from Sejoy. If you haven't seen, a couple of reviews ago I did a Sejoy product, which was the razor cutter or bald head cutter, whatever you want to call it. This is awesome. You will get 30% off if you type in Marcus30 on their website. I will put the link in the description below. At least I think it's still a discount out there. If it's not, I will reach out to them to see what they can do. But if you missed out on the discount, your fault. All right, so right here we are going to get into another product that they sent to us, which is a water flosser. This is battery powered. It's rechargeable, 1800 milliamps, and for 1800 milliamps and a water flosser, you're not going to be running the battery on this like that because you're just flossing. That's it. All right, you guys. Now on this side, it says USB charge, which we discussed. 3 minutes auto off, 230 milliliters water tank, 360 degrees rotation. Cleans up to 90% of dental plaque. We're gonna get the food out of our teeth. First thing that comes out is the instructions. As y'all know on this channel, I look at the instructions last. All right, let's go ahead and get into this because we're so excited. It's looking good. It's looking really good right now. We have the Sejoy water flosser. We have the Sejoy head shaver. We just Sejoyed out. If you never did a water flosser before, it's best to floss at a low number depending on the sensitivity of your teeth. And you want to floss with your mouth closed. You don't want to floss smiling because you will spray water everywhere. Just a little tip for y'all. But if you want to floss and smile at the same time, then you can clean your mirror after you're done. All right, and it's charging. Now let's check out these attachments. Like we have one, which look like a scooper. We have two, has a brush on it. We have three, has like a silicone pointer to it. Four, it looks like just regularly open, but we will go over these one at a time. So these four have the same tip to it. So if you, your husband, your wife, or whoever, however y'all do y'all thing, y'all can, have a his, her, and, put tape on it or whatever. If you don't want to, y'all kiss each other anyway, right? So blah, 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 blah. Press this down so you can put your attachment on, and then you let go. It's tight. Press down to release your attachment, and you do that with all the attachments that you have here. This is the back of the tank right here. You cannot take this apart, you guys. If you try to, I believe you may break it. This little lever here, you lift up and you put water inside. I'm putting cold water. I don't know how y'all water floss. Maybe you use warm water. Some people might like hot water. Your preference, your business. All right, you guys, here we go. We have the water flosser, and I have it on one, I believe. Let me make sure because I don't want too much pressure. Wow, it goes right through your teeth. Now, I have little gaps on the bottom of my, let me just look at y'all here. I have little gaps on the bottom of my teeth, right? So my teeth are not like closed in, right, Mom? Yeah, so my teeth are not like, my teeth are not, I have slight gaps on my teeth. I know a lot of people teeth might be like, tight, so the floss might not go all the way through, but with mine, it goes through and it feels good. It actually feels better than actually, what's you call that? Flossing. It feels better than flossing. So, all right, you guys. Now, I don't know if this is okay. I don't know if this is disgusting to y'all or not. So, I'm just going to go ahead and finalize this review. Get this machine right here. My dentist actually recommended me to get one of these, and now we have one in the house, and I just want to say that I am satisfied. My wife will be trying it soon, so she could test it out. But other than that, I'm telling you, the water. Now, one thing, I am on level 1, you guys. I repeat, disclaimer. Give you the disclaimer there. I am on level 1, and it's pretty powerful. So if you have sensitive teeth and all that, then I suggest that you go on a low level, which is level 1 is the lowest. If you have hardcore teeth and you're strong with your gums and all that, then you do whatever level you want to do. Let me go ahead before I go. This is level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very powerful, you guys. That's 1. All right, you guys. So I'm just showing y'all how powerful this thing is. So one more shout out to Sejoy. I got this one from Amazon. I got this 7D His shaver from them. They gave my audience I believe a 30% discount. So if you hit Marcus 30 on their website, when you check this 7D His shaver out, you should get that discount. If not, the discount might be deactivated and I might be able to talk to them. I'm not sure. But they sent the mouth flosser out. So other than that, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.